I'm Tracy Lee Clark, and I chose to work at CI because there was an opportunity to build a unique program with students at the center. A student would choose to major in communication because of the versatility of the degree. They can do anything that they want, working from a nonprofit, working with a business, doing event planning, marketing. Communication, having that understanding of the basic fundamentals of the field will help them in whatever career they choose. I think students enjoy most about being a communication major is their opportunity to work with the community. A lot of our courses are service learning courses, and they get hands-on experience working on projects directly with a community partner. I also think students enjoy working with the faculty. We have a really close relationship with our students. There's a lot of opportunities for mentorship, to do research with the faculty, and so on. And I also think students really enjoy working with each other. Our students have an excellent sense of community. There's lots of activities, both in the classroom and out of the classroom, that I know students work together on. Students can choose to sort of focus on environmental communication, health communication, or nonprofit leadership. Most communication programs offer traditional emphases such as interpersonal communication or public relations. We offer those courses, and then we offer students content-specific knowledge. So they are ahead of the game when they graduate. Not only do they understand the basics of communication, they understand the content-specific, and they're experts. And we've had feedback from students who have graduated that have said, what got me the job is because I had that content-specific knowledge. Students who want to study communication, do it. We're looking forward to having you in our classes. Come, get involved, get to know your teacher, and just have a great time with it.